Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your exact device model and current firmware. This matters because the only method relies on vendor-level controls. Once done, back up your keyboard and driver settings so you can revert if needed. Next, open the vendor firmware tool or the operating system keyboard settings panel. You must start within the official utility. Do not skip model checks. Incorrect firmware changes break function key mappings, so verify ID before proceeding to the next step. You now locate the FN mapping section or the scan code resolution parameter in the firmware or settings. Carefully change the resolution value or toggle the FN primary versus media key mode depending on your goal. Small increments are safer. Make sure to apply the change and watch the utility logs for errors. If the tool requests a reboot or firmware flash, allow it. Once applied, test several keys immediately so you catch any mismapping before continuing. You finish by thoroughly testing FN behavior across different applications and system shortcuts. Confirm consistency. If anything behaves oddly, restore your backup or enter the vendor's safe mode recovery to undo the change. Also, reinstall the keyboard driver or reflash firmware using the official utility if problems persist. This often resolves scan code inconsistencies. One key troubleshooting tip. If keys stop responding, use the vendor recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.